Hey guys, I'm Brady. It's like radio but without the O, and today I thought I'd show you guys how to get crimped hair without using any heat, and it's just much more healthier for your hair, and I feel like it turns out pretty good, and it lasts the whole day, and I don't even use hairspray for this one. It's definitely a lot more healthier for your hair, and for me it lasts longer. Like, this legitly lasts days. So I just braid my hair for this. I do kind of small braids for this just so they look kind of tighter and nicer. But you can do as many braids as you want. Personally, I think it looks better when you do more braids and make it tighter, so this way it lasts longer. After I finish this side, I do the exact same to the other side. Pretty simple process. Finally, ignore my ugliness, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the side and 3 on that side. I have more on the side just because I part most of my hair over here. It took me 13 minutes to braid all of this, so I don't think it's super time consuming. I mean, honestly, you'd probably spend more time actually using like a crimper thingy-majigger than braiding your hair. Anyways, I'm gonna leave this overnight and then just, you know, sleep on it. I will look insane, so look forward to that. I like to go all out when I crimp my hair, so I like to use my extensions and braid them as well as my hair. If you have extensions and you plan on using them for this, I definitely suggest that you clip them to your hair and braid them because it's so much easier. Now it's the next day and I'm taking out all my braids, and it does kind of look a little crazy at first, but it just needs a little time to settle down. After I take all my braids out, I usually run my fingers through my hair a little bit, so this way they kind of spread out a little bit. This is my completed look for my hair. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you like this little hair tutorial thingy. Sorry, my hair feels really soft. Thank you for watching. I'm Brady, and until next time. Oh yeah, I love this clip.